Hi, this is Chef Raji and welcome to the masterclass today with Slurrp community, and today we are showing you how to make puff cream. Very simple recipe. Let's start the recipe. To make this we need some puff pastry sheets. And to the puff pastry sheet we are going to apply some egg. So that's egg wash, and if you don't like eggs you can use milk as well, but this gives you a nice brown color. And on this we are going to drizzle some crystal sugar. There we go. And I have preheated my oven and I'm going to bake this at 140 to 150 degree for 20 to 25 minutes. Let's make the cream for the puff, for which we are going to start with some shortening. We are going to add it. And now some butter. In goes some icing sugar. Now we are whipping it. Time to add some vanilla. In goes some vanilla extract and let's whip it. Here we have a nozzle and a piping bag. There it goes. In this we are going to add the cream that we have whipped. So puff pastry sheet is baked and our cream is ready. Time to plate it. So what we are going to do, we are going to crack it from the center. It's nice, crispy. I can see all the layers inside it. They are just like this. So the puff cream recipe is ready. Give this a try and thank you for watching this video.